DIY Saffron Facial Soap for Skin Whitening. Lighten your skin tone naturally. Moisturizing and hydrating soap. Ingredients. Main ingredient: saffron threads. Soap base: 100 gram soap bar. Aloe vera gel. Glycerin. Almond oil. Lavender essential oil optional. Slice soap bar in small pieces. Melt the soap pieces on a double boiler. Melt your soap for 3 to 4 minutes. Mix well. Soap base is completely melted. Add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon almond oil. Fragrance oil to drops optional. Half tablespoon glycerin. Few saffron threads. Mix very well. Infuse for few minutes. Pour the soap in molds and leave for 2 hours. After 2 hours, unmold the soap. Skin Whitening Facial Soap is ready. You can store these for 5 months. Use 2 times a day for cleansing face. Apply on your neck and massage for 2 or 3 minutes. Best for suntan, and your skin feels so bright.